In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy homemade solution to get rid of the smell of cat pee, dirt, and grime. We're going to start off by using 1 quart of hydrogen peroxide. Next, a 1/4 cup of baking soda. And 1 teaspoon of Dawn dish soap. Next, we're going to mix it together to break down the baking soda. Here I have an HDX sprayer from Home Depot. Grab a funnel and pour the solution in. If you're going to store it for some time, make sure that you leave the cap loose. Here are 2 canopies that I had stored in my garage. A feral cat got in there and was stuck in there overnight. It peed on both canopies, and this solution works great for getting the cat urine smell out. After letting it sit for about 10 minutes, the baking soda extracted the urine from the tin. I grabbed a hard bristle brush and scrubbed both tins out really well. Then rinse the solution off and let it dry for about 2 hours. It's nice and dry and the smell's gone. This also works great on grout. Let it set 10 to 15 minutes until a chemical reaction, scrub, and dry off. After sitting a couple hours, look at the results. You can see how light it is compared to the other grout. Have grease on your patio bricks? This works great for that as well. Look at the reaction taking place as soon as I spray it. I'm hitting it with water so that way I can scrub out the grease. Spray it off again with water. Here's what it looks like after about 2 days. This solution also kills algae. Just let it set for about 10 minutes, wipe it off, look how clean it gets. Please smash that subscribe button for more videos like this one.